Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to demonstrate how you can make your own monogram keychain in 3 easy steps. The good thing about this process is you do not need to have any prior CAD designing experience and you do not need to download any software onto your computer. All you need to do is make an account on Autodesk and design your model. If you have a 3D printer, you can print your design, or else you can send out your design to any services which does 3D printing. So I have got TinkerCAD open on my computer. Without any further ado, let's get into it. So we will be using TinkerCAD, which is a browser-based 3D modeling program. So go ahead and click on tinkercad.com. If you already have an account, sign in, or else click on join now. I'm just going to go ahead and sign into my account. After you sign in, you will see the dashboard. Click on create new design. So we have got our workspace in the center and orientation cube on top left and our basic shapes on right side. So click on basic shapes and select text and numbers and start dragging your letters for your name tag or monogram. So I'm going to make a tag of my name. After you drag all your letters, select the letters and click on align option, which is on the top bar, and click on the center line. Click on top on orientation cube and change our view to orthographic view. Now I'm going to drag the letters and overlap them on each other. Just a little bit, up to 10%, so that when we print our model, it is attached to each other and come out as a single piece. When you are done overlapping the letters, change your view to home, and I'm just going to give different heights for alternating letters so that it is easy to distinguish between the letters. When you are done giving the different heights to all the letters, go back to right side pane, drop down and select basic shapes. Now I'm going to attach a ring. So select the shape tube, drag it to our workspace and adjust the height. Make it 6 mil. Now adjust the wall thickness. You can adjust the wall thickness from this drop down. You can use this model as a pendant or keychain. So adjust your desired thickness for the ring. Also make sure the ring is solid, and you can keep this ring in the center or else in the corner of your name tag. Once you are done with the positioning of the ring, go back to isometric view and adjust the thickness of the ring. I'm going to make it 2 mil. As you can see, all our letters and ring are in the right place. Now all you need to do is select all the letters and the ring and group them together. This will make your model as a single entity. TinkerCAD also have great tutorials to make you get started with the software. And if you want to 3D print this model, go on the top right and click on export, select the STL file, and that's it. As you can see how easy it is to design your own name tag in few minutes. Now I'm going to post some cool templates on my website mexappy.com. Make sure to check that out as well. I hope you guys learned something new today and enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe to my channel. See you guys in the next video.